Hey, I bought Amazon's cheapest mic stand to find out if it's trash or not. Now, I've got some drum recording coming up in a couple days, and as I was going through the setup I wanted to do, I found out that I didn't have enough stands to properly mic the snare bottom. Now, usually I would just clip on a mic and it'd work fine, and it's never been an issue. However, because Amazon's absolutely cracked at their delivery and stuff just turns up overnight, I decided to get a mic stand from there. This stand cost $6. That's like $4 or 3 British pounds. So damn cheap that I couldn't say no to it. I mean, even the mic clip alone and thread adapter, hopefully it has a thread adapter, will be worth it to me. What's funny about this is that the drums are being recorded for a record that's incredibly important to me, the band, and to my career. The record will probably go on to get millions of streams online and do fantastic things for the band. It's one of my first big label projects, and I really want everything to sound the best it ever has for any production I've ever done. All right, so let's open it up. First off, there's a box with nothing in it, so that's cool. Next, we have a round base that said it was metal, but it's definitely plastic. Third, we have the smallest mic extension I have ever seen, which again, the listing said it was metal. This is plastic. And last, the mic clip that is really small, but it has a thread adapter, so that's good. That's useful. That's quality. Everything for this mic stand is plastic. Look, no surprise, it was $6. I can't be that mad. Also, the one review on the product did say it was plastic, but I was like, Put together, it is by far the worst mic stand I have ever seen in my life. This microphone stand is special designed for heavy duty carry. That's true. Product is good for using at the conference room, church, the other public places. Well, fuck, I'm not using this in public, so I don't know if it'll actually work. I mean, for $6, what can I expect? It says it's for Blue Yetis. I wouldn't trust this with any type of good mic. Let me just go grab a 57. Let's see what happens. Look, honestly, I don't know what I was expecting. I mean, it works, right? That should work as a snare bottom. It's the right height. Let's check it out. Let's see. Let's jump to the future and see if it works as a snare bottom mic. Maybe it's working. That worked probably. I don't know. I can't tell. I mean, shit, it is that bad. But it's not that bad, if you know what I mean. I feel like this thing's just gonna keep on drooping. Droop, droop. It's just kind of loose. If I tighten that up, it should be fine. To be honest, I did expect more, but for $6, it is hard. Like, I mean, I can just use this as a replacement for this mic stand. If you're doing like some sort of low-key budget podcast, you could use this. I could use this all day long. Look at it, boom. Works fine. It will probably replace this mic stand as the mic I use for these videos and for online tutorials in general. It's just so small, you know what I mean? It's like, there's no footprint. It's really light. Like, this thing is light. I'm gonna weigh it, but let's see. This plastic metal base, it is 280 grams. That is a light mic stand. All right, well, I can't be that mad. $6, it is what it is. It's gonna do what I want it to do. It may fuck up, it may drop mid-recording, that'd suck. I could have just got a good mic stand because that makes sense. I mean, this is literally my job and it's like, I probably should invest money into buying decent stuff. I thought, what the hell, it'd be fun. Now someone that can't afford a good mic stand can go, oh yeah, I could buy one of those, which I think is legit. I think it's gonna be funny when the record has heaps of streams and is doing really well, that I'll know that I used a $6 mic stand on the snare bottom. And that's kind of funny to me and makes the whole process a little bit funner. Yes, it is not a great stand, bro, $6. If you need something for like this, maybe get it. Look at this, boom. It's fucking better than this one. I reckon this one was 10 times the price of this. It's gonna drip. That will happen. Tighten this up, it'll be fine. A little bit shaky, but I mean, look at this. I'm doing a podcast right now. It's that easy, $6. All right, well, hopefully you enjoy this video. It's a little bit different for the channel, but hey, I wanted to try it out and why not bring everyone along for the ride? If you didn't like it, let me know. If you did like it, also let me know. Also hit that subscribe button if you haven't and leave this video a like. This mic stand is probably gonna make a lot of music and that's really cool. This mic stand before, it was just like living in the Amazon warehouse, never gonna make a record. Now it's out here, about to do a fucking record for a cool label. It's nuts. Catch you later. Bye.